Hi Mikey. Hi everyone.
Hey bud.
Welcome to my open house. Hi everyone. So today I'm holding an open house for a colleague of mine at my office. It's 3724 Avenida del Sol. 3 bedrooms, 4 bath, 3,714 square feet. And for only $1.699 million, this property can be yours. We're at the front door. We're walking towards the grand space, the living room. It has beautiful high ceilings, beautiful windows, and then this amazing view on the left-hand side.
Pretty neat.
It's super cool. This place has 3 fireplaces, which is awesome. They're gas and wood burning, which is a hard one to get in LA. And this room just has a really, really good scale. You have the kitchen on the right-hand side, super, super cozy dining room area on the other side. And then you have the bottom floors for the bedrooms. So you have a beautiful kitchen area. And this is the part I love. Here's what I mean. You kind of have a built-in dining room area, super cozy. You can peek at your living room area, conversate with people, pull up your computer here, just enjoy the vibes, you know?
I'd eat some pancakes here.
Oh well, eggs.
Brisket.
Brisket. I don't know about brisket, but let's go with it.
I think we're gonna get brisket after this, and Ennis is real excited about it.
Oh, nope. I did not say that on camera.
You don't want to show how enthused you are about getting the brisket?
I don't know if I want to push the manifesto of meat eating onto my vlog. I kind of don't believe in it, although I enjoy doing it. All right, you have a big house, you do have a garage, you have cars, you got to park them somewhere. Let's go. And you have a very fresh paint smelly garage out here. Mikey likes it when I use weird words like this.
Do I?
Yeah, you do. But you have a 2-car garage. You pop it open. You have an area where you can park probably another 3 cars. On top of it, you can park to the streets. Shout out to Mikey's Kia. It's quiet. It's quiet, people.
It's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid.
I lived in Portland, Oregon for a year.
He's lost his Texas ways. Here's another cool fact. The flooring that's inside of the house is actually throughout the driveway and into the garage, which kind of ties the whole space together in a really kind of funky way, but I like it. So we're gonna check out the first bedroom, which is on the top floor of the house. And it's kind of an interesting bedroom. And before I explain, why don't we just take a look at it? Although it is technically a bedroom, the entire space is actually open into the living room, which you can basically peek your living room from here. What can be done is you can either put a glass closure to kind of make this a more private bedroom, or you simply use it as an office, which would be an amazing office space. Again, wood and gas that is covered with this beautiful stucco finish, which I love, brings that industrial detail. But also, you have your closet, you have your bathroom here. And whoever built this house, they really like their brown marble. You have a technically a full bathroom on this level. But here's the other part. If I was living in this space, I would make this an office. Here's why. You're open to your living room. If you want to chat with people, you can. But even better, you get bored, you got too much thinking going on, you just want to clear your mind, you have your own patio again. So this is the second balcony that this space has. I almost fall down there.
Man, I'd put like an elliptical out here.
Dude, you know what? Mikey just came up with a great idea. We should definitely put an elliptical in here and just work out. Just enjoy. And again, you live in LA, you want to enjoy the outdoor space as much as possible. This house, these balconies really encompasses that. So that way you have this beautiful view and you can enjoy it just simply stepping out to your balcony. Bedroom number 2. Beautiful scale. Clearly it's a pretty big room, and I mean the view, it just keeps going and going and going. In this case, look at the greenery. I mean, it does smell green out here, you know? It's not a joke, it's a fact. Beautifully laid out, and it has an in-suite bathroom, which will take you guys. Get a peek, Mikey.
Hey, I'm on the camera. Oh no.
As it's the most important part of the house, we're now going to the master bedroom. And as you guys can see, it is pretty generous. I knew you were gonna react to it. But it's really big bedroom. And everything is laid out perfectly where you stay on your bed and you look towards your fireplace and you still get an amazing view. That green view, ribbon talking throughout. You have a closet right here, and on that side you have the master bathroom. As a construction nerd myself, when I see little details in houses, it always piques my interest. In this case, look at this screen that they built just so you can lift this up, open or close the window, and put this back on so you still have the screen, but the window is actually tilted out. That's some detail right there.
And then if you have a pet bird, that's kind of like the same thing as a doggy door.
Yep, you just let it through.
Let it through. For your bird.
Yep, your bird is a smart bird. And now let's talk about master bathroom, because we're in the master. And as you would expect, huge vanity tub, you have double sinks, you have a tub, and then you have a walk-in shower, and your toilet is tucked to the back. And I mean, this is a pretty big closet. Let me demonstrate to you guys.
Devil woman, let go of me. Devil woman, let me be.
Let's talk about money. Mikey and I are used to seeing these really expensive homes. We talk about it all the time, right? $5 million, $10 million, $20 million homes, and we take you guys with us. But in this case, it's a nice fresh breath of air that we're in this $1.7 million house. You still get amazing value for the money you're spending. You get 3 bedrooms, technically almost a 4-bedroom house, a little over 3,700 square feet. Overall, it's a great value for the price. And it's not like you're compromising for the price you're paying. You're only 10 to 15 away from West Hollywood, maybe 20 minutes away from Beverly Hills at tops. And we're at the bottom floor, Mikey's favorite. Ain't that right, Mikey?
I don't know what that means.
Let's get out.
Oh yeah, I like these rooms. So that's what you mean.
Yes, that's what I meant. But
so we got a little shop in here, / storage room, / punk rock venue.
has it all. But basically what you see right there is the retaining wall foundation that is technically holding this house up on this hill, which plays a huge crucial role. And this is kind of like a storage room that they're using. And for a lot of the foreigners out there, yes, in the United States, houses are being built by using wood framing, and that's what you can pretty much see the actual structure of the home. But if you have a little imagination, right? If you have a little bit of time and money you can invest in, you can technically turn that room into something like this. Now, isn't this cool? So if you guys recall the other room, you saw this huge retaining foundation. They have the same thing right here, but they stuck out the wall, they put drywall around, they insulated it, light fixtures, and as you can see, it turned into this beautiful, beautiful space. The last thing remaining is this. And let's talk about land. Here's what I mean. You can step down, and this property actually goes a long way down the valley, right? You can build decks here, you can do small retaining walls where you can actually walk all the way down. It's really up to the person's imagination what they want to do with this space.
How much do you think it would cost to fill this land out and put a pool or something back here?
I mean, it really depends the scale that you want to do it at. You know, building small retaining walls with stairs that actually takes you down and you can actually have the pool at the bottom, I want to say anywhere from $200,000 to up to $500,000 really. Thank you guys for coming to touring of this house with us. If you want more information about the house, we'll leave a link below. And let us know what you think about the tour, and please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so every time we post a video you get notified. We'll see you guys on the next one.